Well, we've got a few more things from the Chewy box to unbox. Well, we're not really unboxing, but I just wanted to make sure they get everything. Abby Tabby has claimed the salmon push-up items, cat treats. Oh yeah, and the Temptations, they already wiped those out, the other crew over there. So yeah, oh yes, we got some catnip scented odors going on here. But I thought I would start with the big item. Well, big. It's another tunnel. I have my doubts about whether it will be big enough, but we're gonna see. Okay. Oh, spring loaded. Let's see. Oh, there's another one. Okay, can she do it with one hand? I don't know. Okay, maybe we're talented. There we go. Bring. Oh no, there's another one. Why? What? Oh look, that's cute. A little bat. Little bat action. Rain. Alright, so it has a little hole in the side. It's a little tunnel. I don't know, this seems kind of small. Does seem like kitten size, but well, here we go. I'm just gonna set it out and see what happens. What's gonna happen? I know it's gonna get inspected. It will definitely get inspected. You over there? Professor? Professor. Busy inspecting. Can you fit in there? I don't know. Patty Paws could probably fit in there. It might be fun just batting this thing around. Okay, and then we also, let's see what we got. We have Halloween donuts. I don't know why Halloween donuts. Why does Halloween need donuts? I'm not sure. But they smell like catnip, and the cats really want them. So let's see if I can get this thing open. You can't have the silica. All right, so let's see. Oh yeah. Oh. How about this one? There's another one. There's another one. Let's throw this one in there. See if somebody goes to get it. Oh, look who we got here. Yeah, little Missy fits in there, huh? Little Missy fits in there. What if I put them all in there? What would happen then? Huh? Huh? Well, this is a popular item. Halloween donut, y'all. Someone's feeling left out. Okay. All right, and then we also got the Halloween Spooky Spiders plush cat toy with catnip. Oh my goodness. Could it be more wordy? Could it have more words in it? I ask you. All right, forgive me. I'm having to use my underarm to rip this open. It's just the packaging, honey. All right, so. Here we go. Okay. All right. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Look who's in there. And this guy looks friendly. That looks like a friendly dude. Huh? These are cute. We might be able to hang one or two of these. Let's see what happens. All right, I don't know if Professor can get in there, but see, it looks like so far so good. Everyone else can get in here. Peachy King's acting scaredy. Yeah, he doesn't know. We've had many toy unboxing and unpackagings. You'll get used to it. You'll get used to it, kitty. This is how we have fun. So yeah, these aren't bad. These aren't bad at all. I think the kitties like this stuff. I'm so curious to see if Professor's going to be able to get in there. He's playing with the bat. There's the bat cat. Boop, boop. We'll see. It's all right. I'm sure he's going to play with it. Regardless of whether he can get inside or not. Let me see if we can get an inside view. Oh, now that we're inside, you're outside. Okay, I see how it is. I know you're happy, huh? There's catnip, there's new tunnels, new stuff, new fun, new this, new that. New. We got a new. Oh, yeah, these are going to be quite successful. I can already tell. Yes, indeed. This is going to be fun. Woo! Oh, there he goes. I'm glad we caught it. It's not too bad. His hindquarters having a little problem, but otherwise, I think we got it. I predict that once Peachy King gets over his scarediness, he's going to take over the new cat tunnel. What do you want to bet?